Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 10 Mathematics, Chapter 15 Probability. In previous lecture, we solved the up to 10 or 20, 12 question up in the exercise 15.1. We start with question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. There are three questions. First is for a prime numbers. Here I give one hint. In Ludo game we use the die. Okay, so die there are basically 6 number we can get after throw that die. Okay, so here there are 6 outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. One of these we can get after throwing that die. As per question number 1, prime number on die are 2 3 and 5. We all know about that a prime numbers on die. What is the prime numbers of the die? There are 2 3 and 5. 1 is not prime number. Okay, 1 is not prime number. Only 2 3 and 5, that 3 are prime number between 1 to 6. So total prime number on the die is 3. Okay, so probability of getting a prime numbers is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here we know the formula of the probability. Here total possible outcome, total number of possible outcome, and here the getting number of outcomes. Okay, so we get 3 after throwing the die, and we get 3 prime numbers on this. So the probability of getting a prime numbers on this is 3 upon 6, which gives 1 upon 2. Our second question is number of lying between 2 and 6. Here the number lying between 2 and 6 are 3, 4 and 5, which is 3 possibility. Okay, one of possible is 3, second is 4, and third one is 5. So probability of getting a prime number in between 2 and 6 are 3, 4 and 5. So which are 3 numbers? So probability of getting a prime number between 2 and 6 are 3 and 3 upon 6. Here 6 is total number of possible outcome, and this is we getting a number of outcomes. So 3 upon 6, which gives 1 upon 2. Our third question is an odd number is equal to 1, 3 and 5. The possibility of getting odd number on the die. So total number of odd number on die is 3, which are 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 are the odd number of the getting die. Okay, so probability of odd number on die is 3 upon 6, because 6 is total number of possible outcome and 3 is getting number of possible outcomes. Okay, so we get three possibilities. So total possibility is 6, and we getting 3 possibilities. So 3 upon 6, it gives 1 upon 2. In question number 14, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of the 52 cards. Find the probability of the getting first a king of getting a red color. Here I give one hint. Total cards is equal to 52. This is the number of card. It is our total possible outcomes. Okay, and first of all we revise about the probabilities equation. Okay, so what is probabilities equation? Number of favorable outcome upon number of total possible outcome. So we want to find king of red color. Okay, so probability of king of red color is equal to 2, because the 2 colors of from red cards are king. Okay, only 2 red card are there are 13 multiplied by 2 means 26 card are red, and out of this we get 2 cards which are the king of red color. Okay, so total number of possible outcome is 52, and number of favorable outcome means we get two car which have containing king of red color. Okay, so 2 upon 52 which gives 1 upon 26, and second one is total number of face card which have containing the faces like king, queen, etc. Okay, so the probabilities equation is number of favorable outcome upon number of total possible outcome, which is 3 upon 13. So number of favorable outcome is equal to 3 because there are 3 face card, king, queen and another king. Okay, so 3 upon 13 which gives 12 upon 52. Third one is a red face card is equal to number of 6. So red face card having red color, which are 3, because in red color we found that there are 26 cards. In total number of face cards are 6. So a red face card is equal to number of favorable outcome upon number of total possible outcome. Means there are 6 card which face card have red color. Okay, so 6 upon 52 is equal to 3 upon 26. So this is the probability of a red face card. Next is the jack of the heart. So in the hearts card there are one jack only. Okay, so a jack of the hearts is equal to 1 upon 52. A spade means there are only 1 to 13 card. A spade card means 13 upon 52. There are 13 cards out of 52 are spade cards, is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, this is P of a spade card, means probability of a spade card. Okay, in next the queen of diamonds. So in the queens of diamonds there are one possibility because only one queen in the diamonds card. There are 13 diamonds card. So out of 13, that is one queen, and it is counted from the 52 cards. So 1 upon 52, which are the queen of diamonds. Probability of queen of diamonds it gives 1 upon 52. The question number 15 and 16 are the same question as per question number 14. Okay, so 15 and 16 are in the homework. We take question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So first, P of a defective bulb is equal to number of favorable outcome upon number of possible outcome. So number of favorable outcomes are 4 because from this a lot of 20 bulbs there are 4 defective. So I take number of favorable outcome is equal to 4 and number of possible outcome is equal to 20. So I get the probability of a defective bulb is equal to 1 upon 5. In this way I can find defective bulbs probability. In this second question is, suppose the bulb drawn is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. So remaining total number of bulb is equal to 19. Okay, so if we remove the one defective bulb, there are remaining bulbs are 19 because there are 20 minus 1 is it gives 19. So remaining total numbers of non-defective bulbs is equal to 16 minus 1 because there are 15 bulbs are only operated. Okay, sorry, 16 bulbs are only operated and there are 1 is defective bulb. So 16 minus 1 it gives 15. So remaining total number of non-defective bulbs it gives 15. So P of getting a non-defective bulb is equal to 15 upon 19, because 19 is the total number of bulb and 15 are remaining running. Okay, 15 bulbs are only running bulbs. So in this way we can find the probability of any kind of questions. Thank you so much.